Come test drive 2021 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, trip computer, clock, compass, power brakes, fog lights, battery saver, cargo area light, airbags, real-time traffic, push-button start, retained accessory power, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, radio data system, 4-piece floor mat set. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.